Everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make a video slow motion on iPhone. So I'm just make slow motion in this video. So at first open your app store, go to search option, search here to VN. You need to just download VN video editor. This app's totally free and without watermark. So I'm just use this. I'm not use CapCut. Press on open. Click on to plus option, new project, save and select video. Click on and showing it to speed option. Select regular, and if you want to increase or decrease speed, like I'm select 0.5x, press on apply to all. Now I'm checking. Okay, and you just export this video. Press on to move to folder. So that's it.